Your girlfriend that type, might seduce your dad type. I'm the bad guy.
About to get copyrighted. My room is a mess.
Oh, you put it. But there's like a little thing. There's like a little key.
Okay, so it is. I don't know what day it is. It's Thursday, and we're going to the beach tomorrow. So I thought I would vlog that. So yeah.
Oh.
It's gonna be over that. I don't know if you can tell. I don't know what this lighting is.
Yep.
Can you look and see if you can use this? We're in the car and we're slowly.
My hair is literally green. That's like kind of cute though.
Now we're here. We're recording. We're at the beach house and Sammy.
I broke her door, but don't tell her.
How did you do that?
I broke something. But don't tell her.
How did you do that?
I didn't mean to. Is that D? Oh no, I don't know where she is.
Like at all?
I love that shirt.
Say hi. Whoa! You can say hi because I just like.
Why
cleared
is
up.
that so close to my face?
Listen here. I have a secret to tell you guys.
Don't show my mouth the whole time. Or five. Okay.
I have a secret to tell you guys.
I am tired and I want to die. Thank you.
Speaking of the ocean.
Oh wait, it's not focusing. I mean, not focusing. Like the lighting is bad. Okay, it's good.
It's good.
It's not that good actually.
It's not that good. This one's supposed to be like fire. Then try to make it vlog.
Hi, it's Tay Tay, and I'm vlogging. Okay. There's Jonathan.
Look at my phone.
Yeah, he's out here.
Okay, so he said he was just gonna take his
What's he doing out there?
Why aren't you out there?
By himself.
Micah.
Me?
Can you carry the blanket? You have your water?
Why is it always so close to my face?
No, this is your water, right? Okay, so you're gonna take this and this.
We're walking to the beach now.
You missed me.
We're walking to the beach now. I vlogged.
Deanna's hair just went in my eyeball.
Hello? Oh my god, you're like way too close to my personal space. Please, I can't. I just ran into 4 people at once. Say, why are you sitting right here and blocking everyone from walking down?
We're walking to the
Okay,
beach
go down. Why are you?
No. It just beeps because it's like broken again. What were you talking about?
My phone was
I want to recreate a picture, just don't know if I can.
Is there a picture of all of us from like a couple years ago?
Is there one laying down that we recreate every year?
Oh my god, we should. We should.
Yeah.
Is this your phone? Is it my camera?
Is this your phone?
Is this your phone?
You're gonna cut it off.
I'm gonna cut you off.
You've been stopped.
You wanna see this? Hi, I'm gonna.
No one, I haven't seen this.
Guys, stop walking. Get the car. Don't die, please.
Hola, ¿cómo está? Muy bien.
Okay, I'm here to speak for the class of 2023. No one actually goes, or and I like
Get over yourself, okay?
no one likes you. No one actually does that. Moral of the story: we just don't do that. So, thank you, Carolyn. Please put this in the vlog. If you make this vlog an actual thing, please put this in.
Yeah.
Because that is a very big announcement that I have, and Sammy gets to talk now.
Now we're on the sand.
Also, we don't even need passes. There's no one here. Peppa! When did you cry?